Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I managed to get a massive amount of diamonds and coins in Dream League Soccer 2026. And when I say massive, I mean it. Just look at my iPhone. I've already used this method myself, and the amount of resources I have right now is honestly insane. The coolest part about this whole thing is how simple it is. All you have to do is watch this video, follow along with the steps I show you, and you'll be able to do the exact same thing. I'm going to break everything down slowly so you don't miss anything. And trust me, once you reach the end of this tutorial, you'll be loading up DLS 26 with more diamonds and coins than you ever thought possible. So make sure you watch all the way through, don't skip any steps, and let's get straight into it. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called appinjects.com. AppInjects is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for DLS 26 and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.